What's up, y'all? So before we get into this video, I just want to let everybody know that I have a graphic store in which I have asset packs, I have t-shirt mock-ups, you know what I'm saying? I just have a lot of stuff. I have flame drawings. So y'all go check that out. I'm gonna be using some of them in this video, so let's get straight to it. What's up, y'all? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Unbroken Studios. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my third face cam video. So yeah, so anyways, so I got a lot of questions when I was doing client work. Got a lot of questions of people wanting me to do tech packs. They don't know how to make their tech packs. And most of my clients, you know what I'm saying, as I'm starting out myself, they're also starting up like clothing brands and, you know what I'm saying, brands and businesses. They don't know how to do certain things, so I thought I would make like a video showing y'all how to do these things that, you know what I'm saying, y'all don't know how to do. So I'm gonna just throw it on my channel. Hopefully let's get some views, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so we're gonna start off with a tech pack. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So we have a tech pack that I did for a client, a recent job. Y'all seen me, I posted this design before. It's Cinco Studios. If y'all don't know Cinco Studios, go follow Cinco Studios on Instagram. He got some fire designs. So basically, you can see, as you can see from Tech Pack, you just want a clear way to represent what you want to your manufacturer. So I'm gonna show you what everything needs to be on it and all that, so we can start from scratch right now. So let's go. All right. So what you want to do is you want to start with a blank canvas. And really, you don't have to use Adobe Illustrator to make a tech pack. I'm using Adobe Illustrator because what I got. But you can literally just draw a tech pack with a piece of paper and show it to your manufacturer. As long as they get what you want, you know what I'm saying? So you can not spend twice the amount of money that you would spend on reordering a sample or reordering a whole bulk order, you know what I'm saying? So if you want your tech packs to look professional, you can do it on Adobe Illustrator, as I'm using right now. So let's get into it. What you want to do is you want to start with which garment are you using to do your tech packs. Mainly, as I am a graphic designer, I mainly do graphic design tech packs. I don't really do fashion tech packs. That's more for cut and sew. I can do that. Let me know if y'all want a more in-depth tutorial on that, but I can if y'all want me to. But so what we want to do is we want to grab a vector mockup. If y'all don't know, this is my vector mockup pack I'm building. I got shirts, crop tops, tank tops, shorts, sweaters, hats, beanies. Still building it up. I'm building it up as I do client projects, so I'm gonna release it soon. But for right now, we're just gonna go with this regular t-shirt. Drag this into our artboard. So now that we have our shirt, we have a shirt, and now we need a design. So let's find a design. All right, so this design is an abandoned client project. This is a project that I made for a client that abandoned the project. Basically, I didn't finish it, which basically means he left me on red. So we're gonna go ahead and use this, which this is my IP. So legally, I can do this. You know what I'm saying? So on your tech pack, you want it to be like clearly visible for your manufacturer to see. So most manufacturers that we use, they don't speak English. They're either going to be in China, Vietnam, you know what I'm saying, sorts like that. Pakistan. They're not gonna speak good English, so you got to get your point across through visuals. So what I do, I'm doing tech packs, is I go and I select a red stroke, a bright red stroke, and the pen tool and the line segment tool is what I use to draw attention to the reader. So for this, you want to clearly tell them how big you want the graphic on your chest, shirt. So we're gonna do We're gonna drag and hold shift right here to make the stroke a little bigger. 2. And just for the look, aesthetics of it, I'm going to change this. All right. And then we can select our type, and we can type in 16 inches. 15. Great. Let's make this 2. All right. So 16 inches across. And this is the kicker right here. So when you do it, you either do the width or height or the length, but whichever one you do first, make sure you tell them to scale with the length or the width, so you don't get any distortion in your graphic. Because if they will say you want 16-inch graphic that's 16 inches long, and then it's gonna be like 4 inches wide, it's gonna be like a real narrow graphics when we get distorted. So make sure tell them to scale with the width or scale with, you know what I'm saying? So just put it right here so it's more visible. Like scale to width. All right, so now you got the width and height of your graphic here. So what else you should put on it is the type of printing method you want to use. So obviously you have different printing methods. You have direct to garment, you have embroidery, you have screen printing, so on and so forth. So what we want to do, a little code here saying that you want screen print. It's a little bigger. So yeah, that tells the manufacturer that this graphic should be screen printed. Graphics should be screen printed, direct to garment printed, and not embroidered. Also, good thing to put on a tech pack is colors. So mainly with colors, I just do the boxes. So I'll get the box, I'll get the eyedropper tool, and I'll just select the color that I need. In this case, it's black, blue, and orange, or yellow. So I'll get this orange, this yellow color, and that'll be my box right here. What I'll do, make it more visible. What I'll do is copy this, select the eyedropper tool again, and then select the blue in the image, and then copy it again. The eyedropper tool, select the gray, and one more time. Eyedropper tool. Yes, so these are the colors we're using in the design. Pretty simple. Alright, so what I do is I make another box right here. Box a little bigger. And right here is where I put the material for the t-shirt. So you can put 100% cotton, cotton polyester blend, terry cotton, stuff like that, acid wash. So what I do to get a good clear representation is we're gonna go look up cotton tee material. We're gonna go to images. We're just gonna find that material. This looks like a great image, or even this. Yes, so this image. We're just gonna drag that in Illustrator, and boom, have our image. What I do is create a clipping mask, bring this to the front, scale this down to fit this box, and then select both, and then make the clipping mask. And now see the material, this box here. So now the manufacturer knows what you want, what material you want your shirt to be. Next, what you want to add on your tech pack is you want to add a size chart. So what I usually do for size charts is I go what kind of fit that they want, and I look up a size chart for an oversized shirt, for a fitted shirt, things of that nature. So can do, if you don't know any of that, they just look up Rue Porter size chart, and they'll give you the exact measurements and all that they use for their shirts. And their shirts fit a little, I don't want to say a little oversized, but it's a nice clean fit. This is a Rue Porter size chart. I'm gonna just copy this, paste this here. We have our size chart right here. So it's clearly, it's in inches. We go from small, medium, large, all the way to extra large. And this is the chest measurements, and this is the length of the shirt. And again, the manufacturer might not speak English, so what you want to do to get a clearer visual representation, and then let's get the line segment tool, the length of the shirt, and the chest length of the shirt. You can make it a dashed line if you want. It just looks just a little better for visuals. So then copy this, and here we'll type chest, and here we'll type length. So the manufacturer knows exactly what we mean when we say chest and length. Next, if you have if you want woven labels or tags in your designs, this is how you will go about showing them that you want those. Add a box, black and white, and this box represents a woven label or tag. So then what you would do is just the same thing we were doing this whole time. Make sure you tell them that. We're gonna do something like this. And then we're gonna tell them this is a woven label. And it's a woven tag. And then you would give a picture of your tag so they know what you're gonna put there. And usually with woven tags, they are sewn in. What you want to do to represent the sewn lines is you want to copy this. This is what I do. And I'm gonna copy this, select offset path, but you want to negatively offset it to something like this, and then turn down the stroke to like 25, and let's create a dash line, and let's turn the points up. All right, and then that's how you can get to tell them that this is a woven tag and it's like supposed to be stitched in. There's stitching. So you do the same thing for woven labels. A white box wherever you want it, right here. And then make sure you know what I'm saying, tell them that yes, this is a woven label. And yeah, this is pretty much what should be on your tech pack for your designs and anything that you do. You want to make sure you put size chart, printing method, the size of your graphic, the material. You want to put your size chart and just clearly represent what you want to be made so you can save money on your manufacturing. Here at the top, I will usually add like a title, name of the company, things of that nature, date, name of the piece, stuff like that. So yeah, we're not gonna do all that today because it's not really a tech pack. This is like I said, a bandit job, so I'm not gonna make a tech pack for this. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Nobody watched the last video, so you know, man, gotta watch this one. But yeah, y'all sub to Unbroken Studios. Link is in the description for all my free and paid assets. If you want a job from me, again, link is in the description for the inquiry form. My commission box is not open. Yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. We out.